Hi, my name is Andrew from Reachify. You have received a link to an onboarding form we need you to fill out so we can get started on your account. I am going to walk you through that form today, starting with step 1. The first section in step 1 is general information. We will need your first name, your last name, your phone number. This is the best number to reach out to you should we have any questions. Your email address, the best email to contact you should we have any questions. Your company name, your company phone number, your website, and your company address. At any point in time throughout these steps, you can always hit save at the bottom right in case you need to come back to this form at a later date and time. When you're finished with step 1, hit the blue next button. Step 2 is going to be billing contact information. We will need first name, last name, email address, and phone number. This is the contact that we will send any sales receipts or invoices to via email, as well as reach out to should we have any billing questions about your Reachify monthly subscription. Step 3 is going to go over whether you're porting your phone number or not. If you are keeping your number with your current carrier, you are going to choose no. If you are moving your number to Reachify, choose yes. If you choose yes, you will be prompted to upload a current invoice from your current carrier before you move on to the next step. You should have already discussed this with the sales team. In this particular scenario, we are going to choose no. For step 4, this first section is user first and last name. This is the user that will have access to your Reachify account once everything has been completed. This is the email address that will be used as your username to log into your account. Here, we will need your existing business phone number. This is the phone number that we are going to be text enabling, that we are going to have you forward into our system when it is time to go live. If you would like it to ring through after for call deflection, this would be a scenario where in your menu you have an option that says speak with a live agent. We would then need a secondary rollover number to forward the call to at this time. This number needs to be different than this existing business phone number. The next section is going to be our SMS Enablement Letter of Authorization. This gives us permission to text enable your number even though it is currently owned by your carrier. Put your first and last name, your email address, and your title. The date will already be filled in of today's date, and you can enter your signature here where you can draw it or type it. You will need to check this box to consent, which applies your signature to the form. And you will need to check this box as well. At the very bottom, go ahead and once again put your number, your main business number that we're going to be text enabling that you're going to forward into our system. When you're all finished, hit next. Step 5 here, which is the last step, is our call tree information. This is what happens when you forward your number into our system. The first section is hours of operation. Each day is listed here. You will set your opening time and your close time. This is the time of day where your open menu kicks in, as opposed to your closed menu, which can be something different. You will fill it out for each day. If you are closed on a particular day, just toggle it over to yes, and then you will not have to fill out that section. If we are open at 8 a.m., choose the 8 a.m. If we close at 10 p.m., you can go ahead and choose 10 p.m. Now down here at the bottom, the first section, we have our open hours greeting menu. There are some examples in here. Thank you for calling Reachify Pizza. To receive a text to order online, press 1. To receive a text with directions to our location, press 2. To receive a text to make a reservation, press 3. To speak with a team member, press 4. To hear this menu again, press 5. Go ahead and type in here in the section what you would like your open menu to say. Now this is during your open hours. What's going to happen when you forward your number into our system. This is the message your clients are going to hear when they call in. You also have the option to record your own voice for these. If you don't record your own voice, we are going to use our generic text-to-speech program. As a fair warning, it can sound a little bit robotic, so if you'd like to upload your recording of your own voice, you can go ahead and drag the file here. Here we have our closed hours greeting menu. This can be different than our open hours greeting menu. This is what will happen outside of your hours of operation when you're closed. This is what your customers will hear when they call outside of that. We have an example here for you as well, and then you can type out in the text box what you want it to say for your restaurant. There's also a section where you can make a recording for the closed menu as well, and go ahead and drag the file in here. As we scroll down, this is what your text scripts are going to say when the option is chosen in your menu. So, if a customer chooses option 1 to receive a text to order online, we are going to send them a text that says, you can order online here at, and you will insert your URL where they can order online. The same goes for each of the options that you have in your menu after that. It is the text message they will receive when the caller presses 2. Here you will put what you want the text scripts to say for your closed menu when those options are chosen. If you would like to add more, go ahead and add more. If you would like to remove them, go ahead and remove them. When you're all finished, you can hit submit. Once we receive this information, we will onboard your account as quickly as possible and will reach out should we have any questions or concerns.